I suppose when I was considering sending my children to the Gaelscoil, my biggest concern was because we're living in Killa. It's a bit of a trek, but it was never a concern. Like Irish was always, we always wanted to send them to an Irish-speaking school. Like I have no Irish originally because I'm from Sweden, but my husband is a real Gaelgore, and it was always going to be a Gaelscoil. But we heard great things about one Midleton, so that's why we decided to send them.
Excellent.
I would absolutely recommend the Gaelscoil. Like it's great. The biggest reward I think is when you see the children using the Irish outside of the school. I absolutely, especially lockdown was a great, and I think when my first started, which was a good few years ago, she's 13 now. Google Translate was terrible, but it has really improved. So like now we wouldn't totally rely on it, but it definitely helps a lot. And there was such support from the school as well during lockdown. That you got the words read out on like video clips. So like pronunciations, which can be tricky. It made it easy. I would say I always found I never struggled helping them with homework, even though I would have no Irish. And now I'm actively learning, so it's great, and it's great to. With the confidence, I suppose, when you learn a bit to use it. I use it now going shopping, and I think it helps them with like down the line as well when they are learning other languages to have a second language going on to a third language, that they have the concept of learning a different language. So absolutely. Yeah, I find like there's a lot of extracurricular activities, like there's drama, there's French, there was an opportunity, there's music and things like that are not just knuckling down and doing the work, like the math and the writing and all that there's a bit of an element of fun there as well, and learning life skills. So not having any Irish at all, it was a bit of not a concern, but the fact that I would have no Irish helping with homework and stuff, but they learn from a very basic level, and I think it's great to see as well that the children are allowed to make mistakes. If they make an effort, they're allowed to make mistakes without being corrected, and then they will learn it properly, like the grammar and stuff, when they go up along. So that's how to learn. That's the best way to learn language, just total immersion. They'll pick it up they're like sponges.